7:19 your time. Still looking at some patchy valley fog this morning. We're seeing some of that on our camera in Somerset. A little fog there, but you can see the sun is already coming up. See how the sky brightens up there on the left side of your screen. Elsewhere, though, other three cameras not dealing with any fog and a mainly sunny sky with still pleasant temperatures out there, and the humidity is low for this time of the year. Let's just be honest here. As we go into the afternoon, humidity stays low, but it is going to get a little hotter this afternoon than it was yesterday as we start to step in a little bit warmer air. We have that fog, again, mainly in valleys, Williamsburg, Harlan, Hazard, Pikeville here, still looking at visibility at least at those specific locations, those reporting stations at an 1/8 of a mile visibility. We've climbed from 64 to 65 in Lexington within the last hour. Most of us, though, are still lower to mid-60s in that same ballpark. That's putting us, compared to yesterday at this time, a degree cooler. But last hour we were 4 to 5 degrees cooler across the region. Tomorrow morning we'll likely be in the ballpark for where we are this morning, but as warmer air moves in, we'll keep seeing those overnight lows climb too. Look how the humidity dropped within the last 24 hours to where we are right now. A lot more yellow showing up than yesterday morning when we were up there in the still relatively muggy range. We'll see that humidity stay into the lower range this afternoon. High pressure is nudging in. Winds are out of the northwest. It's a light breeze today, and that light breeze is going to continue to usher in that, again, lower humidity from the north. Now watch tomorrow. The high starts to move east, clockwise flow around that. That means that our winds by later tomorrow should shift more out of the east. So an easterly wind still coming from the mid-Atlantic states is a drier air than air that's coming up from the south out of the Gulf of Mexico. So still humidity not bad for the 4th. Mostly sunny, warm today, middle to upper 80s. I do think a lot of us are at least a degree or two warmer than yesterday, and still dry tonight. Another pleasant one. We're in the 60s again with some valleys that could dip back down into the low 60s. As we go through the into the week and the weekend, still that upper level dome of high pressure moving overhead. That moves in Saturday into Sunday, and then late Sunday and Monday the high starts to slip away. As it does, we start to see moisture really ramp up into the beginning of next week, and then we'll see those storm chances follow suit. Heating up for the 4th tomorrow. I think most of us are right at 90 into the weekend. The hottest 2 days here of the next 7. Then we slowly drop a bit as we see some better storm chances coming into play next week.